Hello everyone. Good morning and Jai Hind to all of you. So welcome back to your virtual lecture. So as you all know, previously we have completed question number 1 of exercise number 2.2. Now let's move further to the question number 2. So as we done question number 1 में हमने क्या किया था? There is a given quadratic polynomial. After we find its zeros, and then we have seen that how to verify the relation between zeros and its coefficients, right? So here you have sum of zeros and product of zeros, and by using formula that is minus b upon a and c upon a respectively, right? So by the value of a, b and c, we substitute that values in our general form ax square plus bx plus c, and then we get our quadratic polynomial, right? See number 1, 1 by 4 and minus 1, 1 by 4 and minus 1. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is sum of zeros. First value, that is sum of zeros, and second value is product of zeros. So here sum of zeros is 1 by 4. Sum of zeros equals to 1 by 4, right? Now we know that formula for sum of zeros is minus b upon a. So therefore minus b upon a equals to 1 by 4. Now multiply by minus 1 both the sides. So we get minus 1 into minus b upon a. Therefore it is positive b upon a, because minus minus plus, and multiply by minus 1 to 1 by 4. So we get minus 1 by 4, right? So here b upon a equals to minus 1 upon 4. That means b is minus 1 and a is 4, right? But still abhi second condition, that is product of zeros, product of zeros. So product of zeros, that is minus 1, minus 1, and we know that formula for product of zeros is c upon a. So c upon a equals to minus 1. So here denominator में कुछ भी नहीं है, nothing. Therefore we can write 1. Minus 1 upon 1 is minus 1, right? So we can write upon 1 also. Now value of c is minus 1 and value of a is 1. These two values, first one is sum of zeros, second one is product of zeros. That means minus b upon a and c upon a. And this is only for one quadratic polynomial. Sum of zeros minus b upon a, coefficients of one polynomial, and for that same polynomial product of zeros is minus 1. Then how can it possible values of a are different? A here 4 and a 1. So there are two values of a, and a is coefficient of x square, and we know that p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c, right? So a, what is a? Coefficient of x square. So which is not possible कि a की two values, यहाँ पे 4 यहाँ पे minus 1, possible ही नहीं है. पर्टिकुलर कोई भी एक पोलिनोमियल के लिए a b c की वैल्यू ऑब्वियसली सेपरेट ही होगी ना, ठीक है? a की भी a की वैल्यू, b की भी a की वैल्यू, c की भी a की वैल्यू होगी. बट यहाँ पे still you can see a is 4 and a is 1, so which is not possible. Then what to do? So we have to make equal values of a, right? So for that we take LCM of these two values. Here a is 4 and here a is minus 1. Okay, so for make it same, we have to take LCM. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4, right? So here LCM is 4, therefore we have to multiply by 4 and divide it by 4 also. Okay, multiply and divide by 4. So we get minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4 upon 4 1 are 4. So therefore C upon A equals to minus 4 upon 4 and B upon A equals to minus 1 upon 4. Now you can see denominators are same, that means values of A 4 4 are same, right? So from 1 and 2 we have what is A? A is 4. B is minus 1 and C is again minus 4, right? Now substitute these values in our general form, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so therefore now p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Now substitute these values, we get ax square in place of a 4x square plus bx, but b is minus 1, so minus 1 into plus minus 1 into x, so here minus x plus c, but c is negative, minus 4, therefore minus 4, which is our quadratic polynomial. Okay, so 4x square minus x minus 4, which is our required quadratic polynomial, right? So by using this method we can find the quadratic polynomial by using sum of zeros and product of zeros. Now let's move further. Number 2, root 2 and 1 by 3. Root 2 and 1 by 3, right? So root 2, what is root 2? Root 2 is sum of zeros, right? And 1 by 3, what is 1 by 3? Product of zeros. So sum of zeros, that is minus b upon a is root 2 and product of zeros c upon a is 1 by 3, right? First try to yourself, try कीजिए, then after we solve. You have to take LCM of 3 and 1 because root 2 के denominator में कुछ भी नहीं है, so we take 1, so it will be minus b upon a equals to root 2 upon 1. Okay, after that make equal and therefore you have to take LCM of 3 and 1, right? So you have to multiply by 3 to the minus 3 upon a, multiply and divide by 3. Then after you get the same denominators and then write the values of a, b and c and substitute in our general form ax square plus bx plus c. Then our required quadratic polynomial is ready. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, right? You completed. Now sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, that is minus b upon a. Minus b upon a is root 2. So we can write as root 2 upon 1. Why? Denominator में तो कुछ भी है नहीं, तो एक की वैल्यू कहाँ से मिलेगी? So we can write as root 2 upon 1 and product of zeros. Product of zeros, that is 1/3. So c by a equals to 1/3. Now here multiply both the side by -1. Otherwise take this minus to this side. So we get b upon a equals to minus root 2 upon 1. Right? So b is minus root 2. A is 1, but here a is 3. Okay, so we have to take LCM of 3 and 1. So LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So we have to multiply and divide by 3 to make it equal, right? Now minus root 2 into 3, this value with square root, but this is simple number, right? So we can't multiply these values as root 6. If here root 3, then root 3 into root 2 is root 6. But 3, a simple number without square. That means multiplication of these two numbers is minus 3 root 2. Right? Upon 3 ones are 3. So b upon a equals to minus 3 root 2 upon 3. Similarly, c upon a is also 1/3. So a is 3 here and also a is 3 here. Give it number 2. Again same procedure from 1 and 2. We have a is 3, right? A is 3. B is minus 3 root 2. Minus 3 root 2. And C is 1. Now substitute in our general form. P of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore P of x equals to a. What is a? A is 3. So 3x square. B is minus 3 root 2. So plus minus minus 3 root 2 x. Right? So minus 3 root 2 x plus c. C is 1. So this is our required quadratic polynomial. Okay, so write it down in your notebook. Okay, so today's homework is number 4th and 5th. Number 4th, that is 1 1, and number 5th, that is -1/4 -1/4. Okay, -1/4 1/4, right? So here sum of zeros is 1, therefore minus b upon a is 1, so it will be 1 upon 1. Okay, and product of zeros is also 1, so that is 1 upon 1. So denominators are same. Okay, so आपको यहाँ पे एलसीएम लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, right? So it's very easy. Similarly here 4 4, again denominators are same, that means values of a are same. Then directly you put the values of a, b, c in our quadratic polynomial. ठीक है, so ये दोनों होमवर्क में हो जाएगा. It's very easy, right? So your today's homework is complete class work and number 4th and 5th of question number 2 in notebook. So this is your today's homework, right?